Hello everyone, welcome to my another unboxing video. In today's unboxing video we are going to unbox Hello Watch 4 Apple Watch Ultra 2 replica. This watch have a 2.04-inch Full HD AMOLED display, resolution of 485 by 520, 90 Hz screen refresh rate, A18 CPU, 4 GB internal storage, and this one have a 101 titanium alloy case which have a metal strap lock button and the real screw on the back, wireless magnetic charging. This watch have a 450 milliamp battery and use Bluetooth 5.3, and this one use LiveWire phone application to connect with the phone. I'm going to use a scissor to open up the package. This one is packed up in a bubble wrap. So this is Hello Watch 4. Says AMOLED 4 GB. Hello. This one no have any cellophane in there. There's some information in the back. Says smartwatch model Hello Watch 4 Plus. So let's open up the package. So first of all we have Hello Watch 100% original. Do not photo of this watch. Thank you for your support and understanding toward us. And there's some information in the back. So first of all I'm checking some of the information on the cardboard here. It says Hello Watch 4 Plus and give you some of the information on the back in here. This one come with a black silicone strap, and this one have another wet and dry wipe. Should be come with the tempered glass screen. So we have a tempered glass screen in here as you can see here, and this one have a wireless charger cable. So this one is less than a meter long charging cable. I'll put everything on the side, and this one is a watch itself. This one is having a black color, so I'm going to take the cellophane out. So this one also have a small screen protector on. So as you can see, this is in a black color. On the right side, crown dial button and the clickable button. There's a three mic hole on the right side, and 2 mic hole on the left side, and the action button and the speaker grill. On the back you can see the magnetic clickable button, a real screw, and some of the sensors in there. So this one also have a V-bit sticker on the back, top of the sensor. Take that out. As you can see, sensors in the back. So this watch is not IP rating, so it means you can use the watch while you are washing the hand, but you cannot use in a rainy day or when you are shower or taking a bath. So because this watch is not waterproof, this one can be damaged if you are using in the water. Let's take the top sticker out as well. It is vibrating and says hello, and come up to the language selection option. So select English and straight away go to the watch face. Click one more time. Because this one have a AMOLED display, so the watch touch is quite smooth and responsive, because this one have a 90 Hz screen refresh rate, as you can see, quite responsive. And the black is really black because it's AMOLED display. You cannot see the bezel and the screen itself. So swiping rightward you can see some information in there. Please adjust on wearing the posture. You can Keep scrolling. There's weather information, call dial, contacts, sleeping stage, music in there. You can store some of the music inside the watch because this one have a 4 GB memory in there. Swiping left to right, there's some quick option in there, and swiping downward, this should be the notification. Swiping upward, some of the application which is recently used, and you can actually, so let's go through some of the menu applications in there. So heart rate, O2, ebooks, compass, sleep, weather information, calendar, music, sound recording, photos, and navigation. You have to connect with the phone, call record, contacts, camera setting, voice assistance, mindfulness, alarm, timer, calculator, stopwatch, rise to wake, find my phone, brightness, time setting always display on. I'm going to use the maximum 60 second and always on display. So this will keep using the battery. Business card, time zone, you can adjust the time zone. There's a different time zones coming up in here. Message, WeChat, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram. This one have a DeepSeek AI in there. Stocks, translation is as well. You have to connect with the phone application. App Center, there's a few apps you can download, and there's a few of them is already downloaded in there. Settings, first of all I'm going to see the grid menu. So this is a different menu, same like a Apple Watch Ultra 2, and this is quite responsive actually. And you can see some of the personal information you can add it up in here. And notification, you can adjust the different notification in there. Journals, you can go the systems. This one says 4 plus Ultra 2 firmware version. Hardware, some of the information there. Remaining memory in there, this one have a 4 GB memory. So language, time and date, QR code, bedside clock mode, factory reset, restart and shut down. Have a do not disturb mode, brightness. So this is the lowest, this is the highest. You can raise to wake, you can have option rise to wake. And screen of clock, if you turn on that one, it will says extreme power consumption, battery runtime massively decrease. You can active if you like. Brightness, I showed you already, this is on always on display, I just put it on. And brightness mode in there, you can adjust the timing in there when you want more brightness in there. Go back, up view, this is have a list view and the grid view. And sound, silent mode in there. I'm going to test it out some of the haptic. This is a weak, this is strong. Battery, this one have a 60% battery left in there, we need to charge. Sports mode in there, auto pause, reminder, heart rate and fitness record in there. So this one have a separate some of the application on the home screen, as you can see. So let's connect the watch with the phone. So I scan the QR code from the watch using the Samsung S23 Ultra. So this one says leave your watch app, and but this one downloading the DFit Pro. So let's connect this one anyway and check out. I'm using that. Do not allow at the moment. Access allow. So if you go to the dial, in this application you can add 4 Plus Ultra 2. So that says it's connected. So let's see some of the watch faces in there. This is the normal watch faces in there. So connected. Watch is connected with the application. We go some call alert option, message notifications, smart reminder, contacts, album, local music. In the music, I think you have to add some of the music from the library. Ebook, recording, do not disturb mode, find my device, take a pictures using the phone app, shows the message, take a 3 second to take the app, photo format in degree, systems in there, format time, more option, factory reset, reboot the device. And if you go in the dials, this one have a separate dials option in there. So you have a dials in there, allows a different one. Some of them is already installed. So these one is on my watch face. So these one already inside the watch. You can delete some of them from here as well if you like. For example, if you do not like some of them and you want to add the new one, let's install that one. So transferring speed is quite fast, and this is already done. There's a few more different one. We're going to test it out. Let's test out that one. So watch face transfer speed is quite fast. Go back to the home screen. I'm going to test it out, the heart rate sensor on that one as well. So this is how the look on my wrist, just like that. So go to the heart rate sensor. This one is not a medical grade sensor in there, so I would not recommend to use this one for the daily heart rate monitoring. That could give you the false reading in there. So this one says 63, 62. This is a false reading, I believe, and straight away shows on the phone application as well. Some of the applications are missing, which shows on the phone. Let's test it out. Some of the games in there, as you can see, airplane games, Hunter Master. So you can play some games if you have a free time. There's a more in there, 2048. Go to spread, sound recording, ebook, album. So this is like a noise calculation. So as I'm speaking, this is calculating my voice level in there. So guys, this is Apple Watch Ultra 2 replica, Hello Watch 4 Plus. Beautiful watch, quite cheap, around 30 to 35 pound from the AliExpress. I will leave a link in a video description if anyone interested to buy it. This one is in a black color. Beautiful watch, decent, heavy, but few of the function I have to test it out. I will make another follow-up video. If you like the video, please leave a like. So leave a like, thumbs up, leave a comments, and I will see you in another unboxing video. Thank you very much for watching.